Morocco-Spain relations have been friendly though intermittently discordant. Spain holds sovereignty over 3 territorial exclaves on Africa's Mediterranean coast as well as some smaller islands. All except Ceuta and Melilla are collectively referred to as the Plazas de Soberania. And all territories are claimed by Morocco. The relations deteriorated following the ascension to the Moroccan throne of Muhammad VI in 1999. Particularly the failure to reach a deal for fisheries between the European Union and Morocco in 2001 uneased the already complicated relations between José María Aznar and Muhammad VI. In October 2001, Morocco recalled its ambassador from Madrid after pro-Saharan groups in Spain conducted a mock referendum on the fate of the region. On 6 July 2002, Spanish military operations in the Alhucemas Islands were perceived to be a aggression by Morocco. On the 11th of July 2002, Perehi Island crisis erupted. Members of the Royal Moroccan Navy occupied the uninhabited Perehi Island off the North African coast. 6 days later, Spain launched the Operation Romeo Sierra, and 28 members of the Special Operations groups of the Spanish Army took control of the islet, evicting the 6 Moroccan cadets then present in the islet, who offered no resistance. Diplomatic ties were not restored until January 2003. That July, Morocco complained that Spain lacked neutrality on the Sahara issue when it chaired the United Nations Security Council, and in October, Spain suspended arms sales to Morocco due to the Perehi crisis. Spanish Prime Minister José Luis Rodríguez Zapatero visited Morocco in April 2004, and King Juan Carlos I visited in January 2005. On both occasions, joint statements called for a negotiated settlement to the Sahara issue. The Moroccan position, however, visits to Ceuta and Melilla by the Spanish Prime Minister in January 2006 and monarchs in November 2007 again set back relations. The two neighbors also have an unresolved dispute concerning territorial waters between Morocco and the Spanish Canary Islands in the Atlantic Ocean. Morocco's superport near Tangier will pose competition that concerns Spanish ports. It is expected to achieve full capacity in 2014. Territorial disputes, despite their drama, are subordinate to the continuing and productive economic cooperation between both countries. There is also shared interests in counter-terrorism, counter-narcotics, and efforts to stem illegal immigration. Morocco notably assisted Spanish authorities in the investigation of the 2004 bombings in Madrid. And this relationship continues. Moroccan soldiers have served under Spanish command in the United Nations Stabilization Mission in Haiti, and Moroccan gendarmes have joined Spanish patrols to combat illegal immigration in the Strait of Gibraltar. On 31 July to 1 August 2018, Morocco indefinitely closed the Beni Ansar customs near Melilla, following the breakdown of the ceasefire between the Polisario Front and Morocco, which led to armed clashes between both sides in November 2020. Spanish Second Deputy Prime Minister Pablo Iglesias tweeted the UN resolution of 1995 for the Western Sahara. It reiterates its commitment to hold, without further delay, a free, fair and impartial referendum for the self-determination of the people of Western Sahara. Unidas Podemos, minor member of the coalition government, requested the Prime Minister the same referendum to be held, clashing with the official position of the government expressed by Spanish Minister of Foreign Affairs Araja González Leia, on 21 December 2020. Following the affirmations of the Moroccan Prime Minister, Saadetdine Othmani, stating that Ceuta and Melilla are as Moroccan as the Sahara, after Trump's administration recognition of sovereignty over that territory, Spain's Secretary of State for Foreign Affairs Cristina Gallach urgently summoned the Moroccan ambassador to Spain, Karima Benyaich, to convey that Spain expects respect from all its partners to the sovereignty and territorial integrity of its country, and asked for explanations about the words of Othmani. On 30 April 2021, Morocco granted Carles Puigdemont asylum. According to a source from the Moroccan Foreign Ministry, The decision was made in due to the principle of reciprocity to host the Catalan independence. Leader. After Sahrawi President Brahim Ghali was allowed to go to Spain to get treated for COVID-19. Consulate General of Morocco in Algeciras, Consulate General of Morocco in Barcelona, Consulate General of Spain in Larachi.